In this video, I'm going to go through to you how I train to overcome fear. Now, it's so funny because a lot of people see me and they just think, you know, I've woken up and I can go off and do these things. I can climb and ski Mont Blanc. I can then suddenly go from no racing into racing and then, you know, qualify into the French system to teach skiing. It's not true. I really use a lot of different techniques, and today I'm going to go through some techniques with you that's going to help you to train your mindset. So number one, what I try and do, for example, when we went to go and climb Franchet, is I try and focus and have a bit of a goal, a plan set. So I won't just go off and just climb a multi-pitch without having climbed for like 10 weeks, 20 weeks. I will actually train. So I'll actually go to a crag and I will actually get my head into exposure before then going off and doing something like that. Now that's really important. So for example, when I went up to Mont Blanc and skied Mont Blanc, I didn't just go off and did it. It was actually a step-by-step process which actually led me through there. I actually trained through and had a proper preparation plan to get me there so then I can succeed and overcome fear. Now number two, visualization. So you can do this at home. So really find a nice quiet place and really focus on your mindset in that particular situation. So if you're actually going into a steep pitch of skiing, then visualize, you know, exactly how you're going to feel, how it's going to look, and what you're going to do, you know, to overcome that, you know, how you're going to ski making a few turns. So for example, for the race training, I had to do this Euro test. And it was just so difficult. And really what was holding me back was my mindset. And I actually went to see a therapist about it. And I was actually training to look for speed. But I also had a tape in those days because there wasn't a CD or, you know, anything online. And every night I used to listen to the story and visualize of what it would be like for me to actually pass. Now, if you do have any comments, don't forget to put the comments down below and I'll get back to you. Now, number three, when you actually get into this and when you're actually on the comfort zone of fear, what happens is your brain is always trying to find the easy way out. So it will look for the easy way out and it will make excuses. Okay, so when it makes excuses, for example, like my skis, you know, are not sharp enough, not feeling fit enough, it's not my day, then you need to object these excuses. So you need to tell your brain, right, okay, my skis are sharp, and you need to do those actions that have actually made you overcome. So you've sharpened your skis, you've got fit, you know, you've built up, you've done those training runs and you're feeling good. Now that's really important. Really object to any excuses that you have. Don't forget to watch on how to actually overcome fear in the moment. Boom! See you in the next one.